Did you know banana peels can work wonders for your plants? Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into a powerful, nutrient-rich fertilizer that boosts growth. In this video, I'll show you just how easy it is to make this natural plant booster at home. Start by cutting leftover banana peels into small pieces using scissors or a knife. This helps them break down faster, releasing their valuable nutrients. Next, place the chopped peels into a container. A jar or bottle works perfectly, and fill it with water until the peels are fully submerged. Over time, the water will absorb all the goodness from the peels, creating a liquid fertilizer packed with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for healthy plants. Now, seal the container and let the mixture sit for about a week. During this time, the banana peels will ferment, infusing the water with their nutrients. Once the week is up, your homemade fertilizer is ready to use. Strain the liquid through a mesh or cloth to remove any leftover peel pieces. If the filtering is slow, gently press the peels to extract every last drop of this powerful solution. Your plants will love this natural fertilizer, especially aloe vera. Pour it directly into the soil once a month, and you'll notice stronger, faster growth and greener leaves. It's an effortless way to give your plants a nutrient boost without spending money on store-bought fertilizers. So next time you eat a banana, don't toss the peel. Turn it into plant food instead. This simple trick makes gardening more sustainable and effective. Try it out and let me know how your plants respond in the comments below. Thanks for watching.